Simon. One of the things that really shocks me is that people think that their vehicles are set up from factory, but they don't really understand what blow-by is, what's this issue with EGRs, exhaust gas return, the whole lot.
Yep.
What is a catch can? How does it actually work? What does it do?
Well, its main feature is to actually remove the oil out of the engine blow-bys.
Catch can, or oil separator as we call it, is designed to catch the oil out of the vapour that comes out of your rocket cover, and then it goes back into intake manifold. If you don't have a catch can, the oil vapour itself goes over your turbo, into your intercooler, fills your intercooler up with oil, cools it down, turns it into an oil, and then that oil runs through your lines into your intake manifold, where it starts to carbonise, crystallise, turns into soot. That soot builds and builds and builds over time, and eventually your intake itself is getting less and less and less. So where you should have a hole yay big, you end up with a little hole round about yay big. What does that cause? It causes sluggish performance. A lot of smoke coming out of the back of the vehicle. More fuel use. Your fuel economy is shot after that. And the interesting thing about it is, feedback we get from customers once they've had it cleaned out, they say, I didn't realise that my car went so well. I didn't even realise that it got so bad. And the reason for that is because it takes a long time for it to build up. Most people don't notice it, but as soon as they get it cleaned out, they notice a massive difference. So our idea is to put the oil separators on there, remove that whole problem from even happening. Clean air going into your engine, what's better than that?
If you'd like more information about our range of ProVent catch cans to suit your diesel 4x4, please jump on to directionplus.com.au.